Hey there, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we are going to dive into a topic that everybody wants to achieve, weight loss and look marvelous. But you may not be aware at the root of you not able to lose weight could be insulin resistance. You may have heard of it before, but do you know how it can turn your weight loss journey into a roller coaster ride? So buckle up and let's explore. Hey, it's great to have you here. So let's start by understanding what insulin resistance is all about. Okay, imagine this. Your body is like a bustling city and your pancreas is the mayor, working hard to keep things running smoothly. Now, insulin is like the mayor's trusty assistant. Its job is to open the doors of the city's cells and let glucose, the energetic superstar, come inside. When glucose enters the cells, it produces energy and lights up all the houses in the city. But oh ho, sometimes those pesky cells start playing hard to get. It's like they're saying, no, Mr. Glucose, you can't come in, we are not interested. Talk about cell drama. So what happens next? Well, your pancreas, being the hard-working mayor, doesn't give up easily. It sends more and more insulin like an army of assistants to convince those stubborn cells to open up. But here's the twist. The cells become resistant to all that insulin charm. They put up a sign that says, no vacancy for glucose. It's like they have built a tiny fortress around themselves, leaving poor Mr. Glucose stranded outside. And what does the pancreas do? It goes into an overdrive. It's like the mayor is shouting, more insulin, we need more insulin. The city becomes flooded with insulin, but those stubborn cells just won't budge. Now, picture this. You're on this roller coaster, and the ride starts with a sudden surge of insulin due to insulin resistance. This causes a rapid drop in blood sugar levels, making you feel hungry and craving sugary or starchy foods. It's like your own body has its own evil mastermind planning a sabotage mission. But fear not, my friend. We are here to outsmart the sneaky insulin resistance and turn this roller coaster ride into a joyride. Enter intermittent fasting and ketogenic diet, a dynamic duo that tackles insulin resistance head-on. First up, we have intermittent fasting, or what we would like to call the time-restricted eating adventure. It's like embarking on a quest where you limit your eating to specific time windows. There are different fasting patterns like 16-8, 18-6, 24, but for this video's sake, let's focus on the 16-8 plan. You fast for 16 hours and enjoy scrumptious meals within an 8-hour period. Intermittent fasting is like hitting the pause button to your snacking habits. You restrict your eating window, giving your body a break from constant insulin spikes. It's like telling your body, hold on, we need a breather before you go for that midnight snack. During your fasting hours, your body becomes a clever little detective. It goes on a mission to find glucose and says, hey buddy, I can't find much glucose around here. Let's switch gears and burn fat instead. This magical switch from glucose to ketones is like a magical transformation, helping you fight insulin resistance and burn those extra pounds. But wait, there's more. Enter the ketogenic diet, or as we call it, the low-carb marvelous feast. It's a special meal plan that focuses on high-quality fats, moderate protein, and low-carb wonders. You bid farewell to those pesky refined carbs and embrace foods like avocados, nuts, and leafy greens. Now here's where the magic happens. When you reduce your carbohydrate intake, your body says, okay fine, let's find another energy source. It turns to those healthy fats you have been enjoying and transforms them into ketones. These ketones become the star performers, fueling your body and keeping insulin resistance at bay. Now, don't get me wrong, it's not all smooth sailing. The ketogenic diet may have you dreaming of carbs like you're in a food coma fairy tale. But hey, with some determination and a few delicious keto recipes up your sleeve, you'll conquer those cravings and keep insulin resistance at bay. But wait, there's even more to this dynamic duo. Intermittent fasting and ketogenic diet also have a bunch of other benefits. They can lower blood glucose levels, reduce inflammation, decrease cancer risk, improve cholesterol and blood pressure, boost brain health, and even slow down the aging process. Oof. So you see, my friend, on this roller coaster ride of weight loss, intermittent fasting and the ketogenic diet can be your trusty sidekicks. They help stabilize your blood sugar levels, improve insulin sensitivity, and make weight loss less of a wild ride and more like a thrilling adventure. And of course, always remember to make best of your ride. Laugh at those cravings, embrace the challenges, and enjoy the journey. Alright, that wraps up for today's video. We hope this roller coaster analogy along with intermittent fasting and ketogenic diet helped you to understand how to tackle insulin resistance and make weight loss a more enjoyable ride. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. Stay healthy, stay positive, and we'll catch you in the next video. Keep rocking and rolling. Bye for now.